Hi dear friend, welcome back to our channel Tech Bidda. And today in this video I'm gonna show you how to add recovery email on your Gmail account. So before we start the video, I'll ask you something there. Till if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more these types of video. So let's start the video. First of all, make sure your Gmail application is up to date. If your Gmail application is not up to date, then go to Play Store and update it. Then open your Gmail application. After that, here click on your account icon. Then here click on manage your Google account. Then here you will see all settings of your Gmail account. Here just swipe and go to security option. After that, scroll down. Then you will find here a recovery email option. Just tap on it. Here click on continue. Then here type your recovery email username. Then click on next. After that, you will get a verification code on your recovery email. So go to your recovery email account. Then you will find here a code. Just remember it and type here this code. Click on verify. If your code is expired, here click on send a new code. Then same way you need to just type here this code and click on verify. You can see recovery email is added now. Now if you forgot password, you can reset it by your recovery email easily. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the like button of this video. And if you have any queries, let me know in the comment. I will try my best to help you. Thanks for watching this video.